Juan Pablo Montoya. There's no doubt that the Colombian bad boy has rare skills as a racing driver. His feats since his racing debut are hard to believe. In kart, the top of the American Formula Series, he became champion on his debut year. In the following year he conquered the Indy 500. It's understandable that Montoya, who trained in European Formula cars since he was young, would be fast on the street and road tracks. However, his ability to quickly absorb techniques that would allow him to shove aside your everyday oval racer was simply incredible. After moving his field of battle to the F1, Montoya spent 5 years there, but found it was not to his satisfaction. He announced his intention to compete in NASCAR in 2006, and in 2007 he ran full season from his old team Chip Ganassi Racing. There he showed driving skills that were out of this world, even winning the race from last place on the grid. Coming from the F1 where everything is high-tech, he was moving into the high-tech prohibited world of stock car racing, but mastered the completely different machine immediately. He became the undisputed Rookie of the Year that year. In 2009, the merger of their team produced Earnhardt Ganassi Racing. Now armed with a higher performance Chevrolet, he dominated the qualifying in round 9, and in the 21st round he missed winning the race with a close second. Still he continued to produce top-ranking results, and became the first chase driver that had also experienced F1 racing. In the 2013 season he's still fast and skilled as ever, showing great speed in qualifying and slipping through heated conflicts for a top 5 finish.